So guys, there are two types of interfacing. Okay, the one that you will interface to this point, like 4 inches below your arm level. Okay, 4 inches below your arm level, and there are ones you just interface around here. So that's the one I will do now. So you can just get a piece of fabric you've already cut out. Instead of throwing it away, you fold it this way, then place where you want your interfacing to be on it. So arrange it properly. This is it, and you just cut it out the way the fabric is. The main cutout looks like, just the way you cut it out. So right now you can just shape it out like this. So on your weaving machine, you have to weave it all around this way, then place it front to front. After sewing, you take it back this way and press it down with a hot iron. But for the front, because the front has a slope here, or a cut rather, I think we'll have to use a bigger one. So this way you still place it well leveled up, and you cut it just the way the design goes. This is okay. Look at where the opening stopped. That is where we'll stop this one too. Still open it the way this one is. Then I will decide the length I would want it to get to. Yeah, just cut it here. So this is the interface for the front. See? Still place it front to front with this one. Just like this. Let's lay it down. Weaved it. So right now I have to turn it over. Just cut up the sharp edge. just ease it up. Iron it. This is for the back. This is the back. I'll just turn over this way.